Mastering Integrated Reasoning. Strategies for Success. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our series on the GMAT test structure. Today, we're diving deep into the Integrated Reasoning (IR) section. This unique and often challenging part of the GMAT requires a blend of quantitative and verbal skills. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with some effective strategies to conquer the IR section with confidence. The GMAT's Integrated Reasoning section was designed to assess your ability to evaluate data presented in various formats and from multiple sources. It's all about analyzing and synthesizing information to make well-informed decisions. Here's a tip: don't get bogged down by the complexity. Instead, focus on what each question is specifically asking. With only 30 minutes to answer 12 questions, time management is crucial. Remember, don't spend too much time on any single question. Prioritize accuracy over completion. It's better to answer fewer questions correctly than to rush through and make mistakes. Use the on-screen calculator wisely. While it's a helpful tool, try not to rely on it for simple calculations. IR has four main question types. 1. Multi-source reasoning, MSR. These questions involve synthesizing data from multiple tabs. 2. Table analysis. Evaluate sortable tables to determine answers. 3. Graphics interpretation. Understand and interpret data from graphs and charts. 4. Two-part analysis. Solve complex problems that have two related answers. Familiarizing yourself with these will help streamline your approach during the actual test. Often, you can eliminate obviously incorrect answer choices. This narrows down your options and improves your chances of selecting the correct answer, especially if you're unsure. When in doubt, always revert to the core data or information given. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Try to expose yourself to various data presentation formats in real life. This can be corporate reports, research findings, news articles with data visualizations. By analyzing such sources, you'll sharpen your data interpretation skills and will be better prepared for the GMAT IR section. Thank you for joining us in today's discussion on integrated reasoning strategies. We hope these tips give you a clearer direction as you prepare. Remember, consistent practice and a clear understanding of the section's requirements are your keys to success. Until next time, keep learning, and best of luck with your GMAT preparation.